Hey guys, this is a quick video of how to get Max Verstappen's Mercedes AMG GT3 and Assetto Corsa. A quick disclaimer, I will be using a paid mod. First, go to the link labeled car in the description. Choose the GTM Mercer V8 option. It was €4 at the time of recording. After purchasing the mod, you should get a confirmation email containing a link to download the files. If you don't know how to install Assetto Corsa mods, there are plenty of tutorials online. Next, install the livery using the link in the description labeled livery. For the ultimate experience, get the Dream Pack 1 DLC for Assetto Corsa. And for the NLS layout, choose the Endurance Cup. And there you have it, you can get Max Verstappen's AMG GT3 and Assetto Corsa. If you enjoyed watching this video, like and hit the sub button for more Assetto Corsa content. That's it for this video. See you!